Hi guys, and welcome back to the prompt engineering section. Now, to jumpstart your prompts with Chatgpt, we would like to give you a framework which you basically can just copy and paste into Chatgpt. Just add in your details there and you will get great prompts from it. Let's dive right into it. So first of all, let's just cover all of the steps you need to take in order to get this prompt as good as possible so that you will get the best possible answers from Chatgpt. First off, we need to define the task, meaning that we need to identify the specific action or goal for the prompt. What are the goal with the prompt? What would you like to get from Chatgpt? After that's done, we need to give it some clear instructions, pretty much outline guidelines or rules for Chatgpt to follow. How long would you like that article to be? That video scripts, 2-3 minutes. How many words in that article? 200-300 words? That's what you need to give it. And then we need to offer some context. Pretty much give background information, give some examples or scenarios of relevance for Chatgpt to give you the best possible answers. To understand maybe your company, your business and brand, etc., what your goals with marketing is, what you have achieved before, etc., etc. And then we have the total prompt framework template here. First of all, we have the subject, we have the task, we have the instructions, and then we have the context. So let me just show you how you can copy this and paste it into Chatgpt and just rewrite it with your own words, with your own subject, task, instructions, and context to get the best possible answers from Chatgpt. Let's dive right into it. All right, so now we are in Chatgpt. So here you can see all of the things that you need to customize after your needs and your subjects, etc. So first of all, here are the frameworks: subject, task, instructions, and then context. So let's just start by filling in all of these. So first of all, you would like to write the subject. And for this example, I'm taking eco-friendly cleaning products. Let's say I am a business selling eco-friendly cleaning products. What do I want Chatgpt to do for me? Well, sell a ton of products, of course, but what task do we want to give Chatgpt? For this, I'm going to make the task write me a blog post to my website about eco-friendly products. But not only eco-friendly products, we would like it to be about eco-friendly cleaning products. So here you see, you need to be precise of what you're asking Chatgpt to do for you. Then let's continue with the instructions. This is super critical for your prompts. Now, first of all, and then type of content. So this could be anything from a YouTube video, it could be anything from a blog post, it could also be a job application or whatever you want Chatgpt to do for you. So in here, I am going to write blog post again. Blog post. The blog post should be between, and then the word count. How long would you like it to be? For me, I would say 500 to 700 words. And then I would like it to be written in a tone. So if you're having a brand, a business, a company, anything, and you are doing a lot of marketing, you maybe are doing marketing on Instagram and YouTube, maybe your blog, etc. You would like to keep that tone of voice consistent. So if you know your tone of voice, then let it know it here. If you don't, you can write something like written in a informative and persuasive tone. That's a good way to start. You don't need to know everything about your brand identity and stuff like that to write this. And include at least, and here it's just completely free. Be creative here. So I have written in here number or specific details. So if you would like it to include maybe 3 biggest benefits of using eco-friendly cleaning products, then write that in here. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So include at least 3 benefits of using eco-friendly cleaning products. And then lastly, we have the context. Basically, some background information of maybe your company business, or maybe for your job application, whatever information you're having to give to ChatGPT. Here is where you're giving that, because as much information you can give to ChatGPT, the better answer you will get from ChatGPT. That's how simple it is. So here we have, imagine you are creating this type of content. Once again, it's a bit repetitive, but that's only good. This blog post for the company. Now it could be either the company name, but it's better to give it some context. For example, imagine you are creating this blog post for a company selling eco-friendly cleaning products. And then to who are you selling? This is your targeted audience. Who are you trying to aim? Is it a job interviewer, or is it a specific targeted audience for your email campaigns or for your blog posts, etc.? So here is the targeted audience, and this could be really good to write in. So let's write in targeted audience, targeting people looking for eco-friendly alternatives to the traditional cleaning products. So here you can see that we have already pasted in all of the details. First of all, the subject here, eco-friendly cleaning products, then the task, write me a blog post about eco-friendly cleaning products, and then the instructions. The blog post should be between 500 to 700 words, written in an informative and persuasive tone, and include at least 3 benefits of using eco-friendly cleaning products. And then the context. Imagine we are trying to put them in a scenario that they are working for our company. So imagine you're creating this blog post for a company selling eco-friendly cleaning products, targeting people looking for eco-friendly alternatives to the traditional cleaning products. Let's see what the answer will be. So here is our prompt, and then here is the answer. And the title goes, Unleashing the Power of Green, the Revolution of Eco-Friendly Cleaning Products. And then you can see that it has structured the blog post beautifully. 1, protect our waterways, improve indoor air quality, safe for all, etc. Now, if you would like it to include backlinks to another article or anything else like that, you just write it in either in the context here or in the instructions here. Let's go over a few more examples on how you can use this template. So let's say that you would like ChatGPT to write you a job application cover letter. So write a cover letter for a job application in the marketing industry. And then the instructions. The letter should be between 300 to 500 words, written in a professional and enthusiastic tone, and include at least 2 examples of relevant experience and skills. Context. Imagine you're writing this letter for a job application at a marketing agency targeting hiring managers who are looking for a candidate with a strong marketing background and passion for the industry. So you can see how powerful this is. I can just click on enter here to generate an answer from ChatGPT, and it will write this application for a marketing specialist position for me, a cover letter. How awesome is this? Now go to the resources, download this template, this framework, so you can jumpstart your prompt engineering. Good luck. I'll see you in the next one.